Hi, let me welcome you to this course where you will be able to master IELTS techniques and easily get 7 plus band in your IELTS examination. Yes, you heard me right. And you will know how to deal with difficult questions. You will improve your speaking confidence and you will learn how to develop your answers and manage your time. So, achieve a band score 7 or higher. Pass all sections of the IELTS exams. Apply IELTS strategies and tactics to achieve success. Confidently answer IELTS reading and overcome IELTS listening tricks and traps. And know what IELTS examiners want from speaking test. Write IELTS essays with excellent structure and learn how to structure your essay according to Band 7 Plus requirements. And with the help of this course, you will become able to think like an IELTS examiner. Feel confident and self-assured heading into your IELTS exam. I have also included real IELTS past papers and speaking test audios and solved papers so that you can achieve your IELTS exam score you desire. Enroll now and let's start learning all about it. Best of luck!